Over a century ago, author Rudyard Kipling, who is best known for his story, The Jungle Book, wrote a short poem called The Law of the Wolves. I would like to share the first two stanzas of that poem with you. Now this is the law of the jungle, as old and as true as the sky, and the wolf that shall keep it may prosper, but the wolf that shall break it must die. As the creeper that girdles the tree trunk, the law runneth forward and back. For the strength of the pack is the wolf, and the strength of the wolf is the pack. This excerpt emphasizes the importance of cooperation, commitment, respect, and trust among pack members. In the animal kingdom, wolves are closely bonded creatures who mutually depend upon one another to achieve the ultimate goal of survival. In the corporate world, these interdependent working relationships are the basic composition of human packs, which we call teams. I want you to take a moment to recall a time in your life when you were a member of a team. Right away, one, if not several examples should come to mind. Using this team as the model, I want you to consider some of its defining characteristics. Think of how and why did the team form? What did the leadership style and structure look like? And lastly, how did the members work together to accomplish a shared goal? Now, if I were to ask you to define the word team, could you? According to studies conducted by Iowa State University, a majority of individuals misuse the term team. In fact, these same studies suggest that it is one of the most frequently misused words in the English dictionary. To accurately define the term, we must take the time to explore the many aspects of a team. One defining aspect of a true team is its size. Teams are typically composed of 3 to 25 individuals who possess complementary skills, talents, and knowledge. As team members, these individuals commit themselves to a common purpose. They establish clear performance goals, and they hold themselves mutually accountable. In this setting, teammates share leadership responsibilities and measure performance by assessing collective work products. Members empower others to engage in open-ended discussions. They encourage active problem solving and fully commit themselves to the team's purpose. With these characteristics in mind, we can now establish a comprehensive definition for the term team. I want you to reflect on the team that you selected at the beginning of this presentation. What was it about that group of individuals that made you refer to them as a team? If your answer involves working in the same office building or wearing matching uniforms, then perhaps now you can reevaluate that group based on the criteria provided for you in this presentation. As we've learned, a team is a small number of interdependent individuals collectively striving towards a common goal. Cooperation, commitment, respect, and trust are the pillars of a high-performing team. Although all teams are groups, all groups are not teams. In the next section, Julia will highlight the differences between groups and teams.